In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter vendor credit in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a credit you've received from a vendor and apply it to a bill, so your accounts stay accurate and up to date. Let's start by creating the vendor credit. From the main dashboard, click the Create button at the top left. Under the Vendors section, choose Vendor Credit. This opens a new form where you'll tell QuickBooks who issued the credit and what it relates to. Select the vendor name for the credit you received. Make sure you pick the exact vendor that appears on the related bills. QuickBooks uses this to match the credit later. Next, enter the date of the vendor credit. Use the date shown on the vendor's credit memo so your reports reflect it in the correct period. Now decide whether to use the Category Details or Item Details section. Use Category Details if the credit relates to expense accounts, like office supplies or utilities. Use Item Details if the credit is for specific products or services you track as items. As a best practice, mirror how the original bill was entered. If the bill used items, record the credit with items. If it used expense categories, use categories here. Enter the appropriate account or items, add quantities if applicable, and input the amount of the credit. QuickBooks treats this as a credit, so enter the exact amount shown on the vendor's document. If it helps future you or your accountant, add a clear description or memo. Include details like the invoice the credit relates to or the reason for the credit, such as a return or price adjustment. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. You've now recorded the vendor credit. To apply that credit to a bill, go to Place, New, and select Pay Bills. Choose the bill you want to pay for the same vendor. On the right side, QuickBooks will automatically show any available vendor credits. Select the credit you want to apply. You'll see the payment amount adjust to reflect the credit. If needed, fine-tune the payment amount so it matches what you actually intend to pay. When you're satisfied, save the transaction. The credit is now applied, and your open balance with that vendor is reduced accordingly. If you don't see the credit, double-check that the vendor name matches exactly and that the credit date isn't filtered out. That's it. Record the credit, then apply it when paying the bill. Thanks for watching, and keep your books clean by entering credits as soon as you receive them.